My name's Ali Kay. I'm a technical director here at Stoane Lighting. We were delighted to be successful in our application to start a KTP project between Napier and ourselves. The premise, or the whole point of the project, was to try and understand within this company how we can quantify the environmental impact of manufacturing luminaires. Now, we're a diverse bunch of people from industrial design, product design, administration, marketing roles, but not one of us held life cycle assessment skills. So Napier University, with their team of experts in life cycle assessment, provided that knowledge, and of course the KTP project is about transferring knowledge from an academic institution to commercial operations such as ourselves.
I'm Dr. Irene Mazzei and I'm working as a research scientist in this KTP project focused on sustainability and life cycle assessment. This project exists because understanding and applying metrics for sustainability is gaining more and more importance, and this is due to, first of all, the need to control emissions to the environment, but also because we need to comply with upcoming legislation. The problem is that the industry is not aligned on the same methodology to use to measure and report environmental impact of their products. So one of the aims of this project is to identify a harmonized methodology for the whole lighting industry to measure and report environmental impact. For me, the KTP has been, first of all, a great opportunity to develop some skills that I didn't have before, and also to build some connections and meet some very, very interesting people in the industry. And I feel like this experience and the work that we're doing will definitely be a booster for my career.
I've been delighted with the KTP project, and my experience of it so far has been fantastic. On a personal level, I find that I'm learning a whole lot from Irene and her colleagues at Napier University. For the company, it's been great in terms of profile, and to have Irene speaking at lots of different conferences and to lots of different people, including our customers, it's been very positive there too. I think for a company, especially working in an area where there's an emerging technology, where there isn't the knowledge within the company, a KTP project can be incredibly valuable in filling that gap. And I'm very confident saying that it's something I would recommend to other companies.